So I'm going to have carrot, spring onion, coriander, red cabbage, pork, noodles. I would love some bean sprouts, but they had none at the shops. There was absolutely none. Did you see any when you went to Thingo?
I never looked for bean sprouts.
Okay, yeah, there were no bean sprouts at the shops when I went, which was fucking annoying.
Yeah, what are you making for your mum?
She was Vietnamese rice paper rolls.
Oh, nice, nice.
So I'm going to make her these. I can't make the sauce too spicy either, because she's not good with chili. Oh, excuse me.
If your mum doesn't want this, I will happily munch on whatever the lunch ends
No,
up
she's
being.
going to want it. She loves these things. She absolutely loves these. Oh, fuck the pies. I've got to tell her they fucking collapsed.
Oh, did they?
Yeah, they're not going to be very good when they reheat up, when they reheat.
Oh,
I know, I feel like I just failed it, you know?
that sucks.
I know, I suck. Cat's no longer good. I think I've lost my touch with cooking. My food hasn't been up to scratch, you know? I think it's just me being tired all the time.
Yeah. Dishonor on your cow, dishonor on your family. What's wrong with the pie? Are they in here? They're in the freezer?
Yeah, they're in the freezer. They started collapsing because I filled them up with too much meat.
They look fine. What are you talking about? They look fine.
No, but the bottoms collapsed. There's got holes in them.
Oh.
One of them's for you, though.
Oh. Oh man, my hands are feeling weird.
From all the chili.
I think it's from the fucking sauce, yeah. It's like the top layer of my skin's been peeled off.
Should've wore gloves, Kippo.
You never want the bottom to collapse, says Gear Salad. Gear Salad, bottom expert.
You also don't want to eat dirty servo pies either, Gear.
Gear Salad. Oh, that's fancy.
I realised I should be cutting it like this, not the other way. I'll use them both. It's all good. Alright. Well, I'm going to be brutally honest, everyone. I might have to take a week off in July. End of July, I might have to take a week off. So that means no cooking streams, no video game streams, no nothing. I need a week off to rest and just do my other job. When I do my other job with streaming, it tires me out so fucking much. So I will have to probably take, 5, 6 days off. I'll be brutally honest, Eggs. Lately I've been so tired. You know, sex is just like, yeah, I'm too tired.
No fucking. The 48-hour stream, right? So we had a flat tire and we didn't end up doing it.
We couldn't go to Newey.
We did more than 24 hours, right?
We did more than 24 hours. And also I streamed on Sunday as well.
We streamed a lot as well because we had stuff to do.
Yeah, we had cooking and shit to do.
But we did can it on Saturday afternoon-ish.
Yeah, Saturday afternoon we canned it. And then I played a bit of FF7 and then we ate some cookies and got high. Allegedly. Allegedly.
There is always next year. We'll probably do another one later or at least another 24-hour stream later. But at the moment, yeah. We need to go down to fucking Tim Tamers for shorties. We
will, for a 24-hour stream.
We want to fucking try that fast food, that takeaway.
Fuck oath. I was so excited for that.
I know. Fucking Kippo's car. Do you want me to do the
Oh no,
carrots?
sometimes, no, it's alright. Sometimes I'm a little bit paranoid because, you know, like I don't think fuckface his thing is put an attack in your fucking car tyre.
Right.
Yeah,